Nomai lishing mari hurangi or lakhi. Kanano, who were those culprits? You should have defined it categorically. Either by the dreaded criminal or by the belly people or whatsoever might be. Criminal is a criminal. Robbing arms or stealing arms from the arms armory itself is an offense, it's a crime. Either it is a Hill or Billy or Kuki or Manipuri or Assamese or Bengali, no, it's a crime. I do agree. But who are those persons? Number one. Number two, how the government of India has allowed the free to move with the 2,500 AK-47, M16, M20 sniper gun, which was already possessing by these outlawed people and the shoe activists. Government of India and the Lieutenant General Kolita has not said that. These shoe people, Government of India has no control, and they are creating this mayhem and this narsanghar and this bali ka bakra ki tarah Manipuri log ko marwa rahe hain. Kaun hai iski zimmewari? I would have been more happy that if you would have categorically said that these are the people, just presumably, or this is something which I don't agree. So here I say that we want everything in concrete. And another thing, our anchor Professor Chandramani, if you permit me,
yes,
I may be allowed to apprise you. What is said is that Manipur main issue is, it is from the scheduled tribe issue, which this tribal people, which this aggressor, which this militants people, they did not want. That's why this issue has been flared up. This is totally wrong, Lieutenant General the Kolita Sahab. This is totally wrong. You are giving the political statement. You shouldn't have given that. I said that you should not have given that. This statement was wrongly corroborated, wrongly stated earlier by the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shahji, which has no connection at all. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee had been demanding right from 2013. You may recall it, 3rd May, this aggressor who is trying to cleanse the one community from that area. This is their motto. The migrants, this illegal migrants, this terrorists, some people group, they have never mentioned that scheduled tribe issue was the main issue which we all the tribal we were not accepted, which we are not agreed upon. They never said. They have mentioned that solidarity, so-called solidarity, and what they call it, the unifications, this is their slogan. They have never mentioned scheduled tribe. When finding no other way that crime has been committed in a wrongfully manner, lastly to cover up this scheduled tribe issue was being brought. That's why I say very, very openly, very overtly, very emboldenedly, your statement or the Home Minister's statement, totally this is wrong, and we refute you. And this kind of a statement should not have been rather highlighted and should not have been commented from such a high level post as a the stern command, the commander. I think I said that very sorry for you. This is what I would like to appeal. So it has no relevance, your scheduled tribe demand or the aggressor people who are trying to cleanse an entire one community. Government of India, are you not aware it? Is the Government of India, apparently you are also under your blessing. These people are working very, very proudly and very emboldenedly, so because there is no law is applied on them.